Exploring seismic building movement standards. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we look at how seismic building movement standards can help ensure projects' success, including looking at horizontal interstory movement standards from the American Architectural Manufacturers Association. So once you have your building drift, there are a couple of different standards that you can use to evaluate products to make sure they meet your needs. So for horizontal movement, there's AAMA 501.4, which deals with serviceability after elastic drift. So normally you're going to test a 1% elastic drift and also looking at a 1.5 inelastic drift. And you're making sure that after elastic drift that the current wall still functions as intended by testing air and water performance. AAMA 501.6 just deals primarily with the drift causing glass cracking and glass fallout. So there's no serviceability. You're primarily just looking for what movement does a glass crack and what movement does a glass fall out. There's also ASC 7, Chapter 13 calculations. This is project specific and allows you to calculate an allowable drift based on the glazing pocket design details along with the glass size. This has some limitations and doing the physical testing is preferred. There's also vertical and story movement tests that you can do, such as AAMA 5.1.7. This is not for seismic, but for more for live load deflections, where you're looking at serviceability of a system after experiencing some live load deflection, where you're doing and water testing, just like you would at AAMA 501.4. This is just a quick recap of the seismic building movement standards. For horizontal movement, you have AAMA 501.4, which deals with serviceability after elastic drift. So again, you're doing air, water, and structural testing after the elastic drift and looking for visible damage after your inelastic 1.5% drift. Then you have AAMA 501.6, which is the drift causing glass cracking and glass fallout. Next, you have AAC 7, Chapter 13 calculation, which is project specific and is calculating the allowable drift based on design details of the glass panels and also the framing system. And at what point does the glass contact the framing system, limiting your drift? That calculation has this limitation and is conservative, and you will get better results when looking at the actual AAMA 501.6 testing versus calculation. You also have vertical and story movement standard as well, which would be AAMA 501.7, which is serviceability after live load deflection. Remember, this is not for seismic, but just looking at that live load deflection movement. Visit Kawneer.com for our latest information on current wall and winter wall products that meet AAMA 501.4 and AAMA 501.6 standards. Thank you for joining us, and we appreciate your time.
That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.